Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections and power because most D-sub power saver faults are cable or handshake issues. First, unplug and reseat the VGA cable. Inspect pins visually and gently straighten any bends. Once done, swap to a known good cable or port to isolate the lead. Make sure the monitor's power LED behaves normally and that you're using a direct outlet or a tested surge strip. If the screen still reports power saving immediately, note the exact timing and any on-screen indicators to guide the next steps. Now you tackle signal and software causes. Set your display to the monitor's native resolution and preferred refresh rate because mismatches trigger power saver behavior. Then update the GPU driver, or, if a recent update caused the issue, roll it back. Use the graphics control panel to confirm output is active on the D-sub port. Next, reset the monitor to factory defaults and try forcing EDID detection from the PC, or disable any deep sleep/power-saving features in firmware and the operating system. These steps fix handshake and timing problems that mimic power loss. Finish by isolating the faulty component. Connect the monitor to a different computer and try your PC with another display to determine whether the monitor, cable, or GPU is at fault. If the monitor has firmware updates or a service menu, apply recommended fixes and disable aggressive power modes. Once verified, replace the VGA cable or use an active adapter to a digital input if available. Troubleshooting tip. If the power-saving message persists only on one machine, focus on that machine's GPU driver, BIOS display settings, or power management profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.